Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Designer to design your posts. First of all, open up your browser, then type in your browser Microsoft Designer, hit enter, and then go to the website. Now, once you're at the website, you will have to make yourself an account. And after that, just scroll down and go for this design creator right here and click on generate. Now on the left side, you will have different posts to take ideas from. And if you hover your mouse over them, you will see the text used here to generate them. For example, create a minimalistic Instagram post about season's greetings. Now, if you scroll down, you will see much more ideas that you can use to create your design. Now, after that, you will have to type in here for what do you want to create the design for. For example, I'm just gonna type in a car launch event. I'm just gonna modify it and Instagram post for a car launch event. After that, just hit generate. Now here are all the designs that Microsoft has chosen for me for my post. Well, I quite like this one right here, so I'm just gonna click on it and click on this magnified window right here, and you will have a magnified view of that design. Just click on this button right here, just select it and click on customize design. Now once you're in the editor, on the left side you will have different ideas on how you can customize this design right here. You can just close this window right here. Now what I want is that this overlay and this text to move upward so that the car is the main center of focus of the post. So I'm gonna do just that. I will move this text right here and this thing a bit right here as well. So now that the car is in the center of focus, I'm just gonna make some more tweaks. Now if you click on this templates button right here, you will see all the templates that Microsoft Designer offers that you can use in your post. For example, I quite like this one right here, but I will just leave it at that. I'm just gonna explore some. Now if you click on this My Media window right here, you can upload your files to use in your design. For example, I'm just gonna go for from this device option right here, and let's say I'm just gonna scroll down and go for this Mr. Beast photo right here and click on open. Now after that, if you scroll down right here, you will see that the picture has been uploaded. So just drag it and leave it on the design. And after that, click on this remove background if you want to remove the background of the picture. You can also adjust it from here, resize it as much as you want. You can change the opacity from this window right here. I'm just gonna move them. Let's say I'm just gonna leave it there. It doesn't look good, so I'm just gonna remove it. I was just doing it for the video purpose, so I'm just gonna let's say right click and click on delete, so that will be deleted from here. Now if you click on this visuals window right here, you will see different visuals that you can use in the design. For example, there are some filled shapes. For example, let's say I'm just gonna go for this square right here. I'm just gonna move it down here and I'm just gonna adjust it. Now in here you can adjust the opacity. I'm just gonna decrease it a bit. After that you can change the position and you can also change the color. You can use a drop tool to use a color from here. I'm just gonna go for this color right here and that color would be selected. You can also use the suggestions and the solid colors. I'm just gonna remove this as well. Yes. Now if you click on this text window right here, you can add a heading, a subheading, and add body text right here. I'm just gonna do that. And there are some other fonts and designs that you can use in your design. I will go for, let's say, a subheading right here. I'm just gonna click on it. Mm, After that, I'm just gonna, let's say, let's add the address. Let's say XYZ Mall, city of ABC. Let's say. Just gonna increase the size a bit, and after that, I'm just gonna move it in center. Now after that, you can make them bold. You can make them italic. You can underline them right like this, and you can also use the strike through right here. You can change the position, which we will in a short time. And after that, you can use the opacity and also the rewrite option right here. Now from here, you can adjust the font size. I'm just gonna leave it at, let's say, 58 looks good. You can change the font from here, and you can also change color of the text from this window right here. I'm just gonna leave it at white as it looks good. I'm gonna make it bold, and now let's add a visual behind that. So let's just go back to visuals right here. Let's go for this rectangle again and place it here. Just gonna extend it here, extend this here. Now in here, click on this positions button right here and click on send to back, and that text will appear here. Now just adjust the text right here. Click again on this visual window right here and click on opacity window and adjust the opacity so that it matches the design somewhat. I'm just gonna leave it at 46%, let's say. Just gonna move it a bit towards the left. There you go. Now the final window on the left side is this brand kit right here. Now in this window you can create your brand kit if you want, which will be saved in here, and you can use it the next time you visit Microsoft Designer for creating a new design. So you don't have to do all this again, and you will just use that kit and your design will be generated within a few minutes. Now the last thing that I want to tell you about is that in the visuals window you can also generate your own photo. You just have to type in the prompt and that window will be generated, and you can also add it to your design, and you can also use the pre-made photos right here, the graphics. If you scroll down, these graphics right here, and in the same way you can also use stock videos on your design. So that's pretty much it, and that was my tutorial for Microsoft Designer. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.